Hi, this is Steve. I'm going to give you a demonstration of the JRA Delivers iPhone app. So let's say we just got our route from the distribution and we're ready to deliver some boxes. So first what we're going to do is look at the top of the route that we got, and there's an ID number there. So we're going to get that number. One I have is 105, and we're going to go to the JRA Delivers application and start it up. Okay, it's asking for the route number, and we're going to type that in. 105. If we mess up and we type in the wrong number, and it'll give us an error message and tell us to try again. Okay, so 105. Now it's telling me that the route number, the route name is Somerton 05, and it's asking me to get 10 boxes. So I'm going to go get my boxes, and then I'm going to press ready to deliver. So this gives me a list of all the people that are on the route, starting with the headquarters, that's the warehouse, and has a list of all the people I'm going to deliver to. Note that the names here have been changed slightly, so we're not actually showing the full name or the real address. Okay, so let's say I'm ready to deliver the first box to Edward F. Now I'm going to tap on this, and it's going to take me into the Maps application. It's going to drop 2 pins down. The green pin is the starting location, and it will be my current location wherever I happen to be. So in this case I happen to be in Cherry Hill, and it's showing me how to get to the first location. Okay, and then just with one button push here I can start the directions, and it'll give me turn-by-turn spoken directions. Okay, now when I'm finished I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to return to the app. Click. Now it's going to take me to a screen that shows me the details for that client, and I can push this phone button here, and that'll call the person. So let's hit that. You can see it's going to ask me if I'm going to make a phone call. I can go ahead and call them, cancel out of that. If I want to get back to the Maps application, I can tap this button. That'll take me back into the Maps application. If there's any special information, that'll be listed here. Now once I've delivered, I can indicate the results of my delivery. So either have arrived, box delivered, arrived, left at door, arrived but no delivery, and you can put in some comments here. Talk them in. Did not deliver because of a mean dog. Okay, there we go. And then I can click that one, and then I'll say done. When I'm finished delivering for that client, I'll have a check mark here. If I tap it again, it won't give me directions, it'll just go right into details. If I want to see the details for someone I haven't delivered to, I can click this little disclosure arrow, and it'll take me into there. I can cancel. Alright, and then when I'm finished, when I've delivered everything, then I can click this last one, delivery finished. That'll take me to a screen where I can put in my name, and then I can give overall feedback. So let's say, this route was good except for the client with the mean dog. Okay, and then if I have feedback on the app itself or any suggestions, you can put those in there. Now, and then I hit the send email button. It'll bring up an email with the comments in it, and then I can send that off. And then it gives me a little message here, and then I can go back and I can enter another route. So let's do that. So this time I'm going to do route 200. This is an apartment route. Okay, so this time I'm going to confirm that the name of the route is given here, it's Jameson route, and then I'm going to get 15 boxes, and then I'm going to hit this button here. Okay, now this time it has two sections. First is the warehouse, the second is the apartment that I'm delivering to. So if I click on this, again it'll take me over to the Maps application, and then with one click I can start my directions. Okay, now I'm going to go back over to the JRA app, and now I have the details for that. If I want to call the warehouse, I can click that button, call the warehouse. Okay. All right. Now for each of the people in the apartment, when I click on this, it actually just takes me to the details, and I can indicate whether it was delivered or not. This one's delivered, say done, check mark there, showing it's delivered. Okay, this one I left at the door. Okay, and so on. And then when I'm ready, when I'm finished, then I can give some feedback and it'll send an email. Let's take a look at one of the other features here. There's two tabs at the bottom. The first one is the one we've been looking at that gives you a list view of all the clients. The second one is a map. So it will show you the JRA headquarters, and it'll show you the apartment building, or if it's a house-to-house route, it'll show you all the clients that are on that particular route. Let's take a look at that. Let's go back to the start, and we're going to type in 105. If I look at the map here, you can see the warehouse, and then you can see this grouping of pins, and you can see exactly where you're going. So that's the first version of the JRA Delivers app. If you'd like to try it out for the September 15th distribution, stay tuned and I'll have some more information about how to do that. Thank you. Okay, so here's what you need to do to gather the information needed to be able to try out the first version of the JRA Delivers app. So you want to go to the App Store. Type in UUID, search. Okay, you can just pick any one of these. UUID Viewer. Looks like I already have that. This is a free one, so I'm going to install that. Okay, now I'm going to open it. Your current location. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this via mail, and I'm going to type in s.hurlock@gmail.com. Send. Now you're all set.